Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Today I am going to give the recipe of chicken lachadar paratha. For this you need to have all purpose flour, salt to taste, sugar, baking powder, mix well. Oil 1 tablespoon, water as per required, mix well. Then you need to have oil, olive oil 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds, garlic and ginger paste. Mix well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Chicken mince 200 grams. Cook until chicken turn white. Cover and cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Salt 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder. Dry coriander powder. Red chili flakes. Garam masala. Green chili chopped. Onion chopped. Fresh coriander chopped. Lemon juice and mix well. Please subscribe my channel, like and comment, share it with your friends. Also press the bell icon. Then you need to have butter, all purpose flour, make it in a round shape. You need to have butter. Put paratha on the pan, cook for the both sides. Cut paratha into two parts. Beaten eggs, mozzarella cheese grated, cooked chicken. If you don't have mozzarella cheese, then skip it. Fold it. Apply butter on the both sides. Cook until golden and crispy. Put it into the plate. Cut into two parts.